What's up, Pyros? We're coming at you with the Dominator fireworks, the bragging rights. Some high action, high level vehicles going on. Get the motorcycle, the butterflies. And you got, maybe, was it, I want to say that's a Porsche, but I'm not sure what kind of car that actually is. But you get the Lambo. And you got 9 shots. It is the maximum load per shot allowed by law. The performance is 9 shots of 2-inch mega burst shells. Same great performance of our 3-inch shells, but in a tighter package. Bam! There you go. They said it is 9 shots. The 2-inch shells. There you have it. Dominator fireworks, bragging rights. Let's check it out and see what you think in terms of comparison to their 3-inch in a tighter package of a 2-inch.
Wow. Wow.